Hi to the 4 people that might watch this. I have an announcement to make. It is concerning the project I have started a few months ago, Surviving Art. I have been planning something for quite some time, but decided instead of just, tinkering and toiling away at the idea and building up the concept, I'm just gonna do it. So here it is. The new project concerning Surviving Art will be about the question: how to make it in the art world. I will be documenting everything I do so you can watch and maybe, let's start a conversation about how to really make it in the arts. You can read books and you can watch YouTube videos and nobody actually says anything. And no, I am not opening an Etsy shop with paintings of flowers and trying to sell them, because that's just not what I am about. If you do that and if you're successful, kudos, I'm really happy for you. But I will be trying to see if I can make it in the arts with my collages and my paintings and, well, whatever conceptual work I might do. So, the big question: what and how to actually make it in the arts? What exactly to do, what not to do, and how the hell to do it? Join me on this ride. For all of you 4 people watching, I hope you enjoy it. Maybe, we figure something out and all 4 of us can actually live off of our art. If not, you're gonna watch me fail. Maybe next month, maybe tomorrow. I have no idea. Hopefully I don't die. So, tune in for the next video, or blog, or podcast. I will be doing all of it, so you have as much content as I can physically make. And the point of everything is anyway just to show people and show myself if it's possible. If not, retail. If nothing else, I said I'm gonna do it, and if I don't, I'll just look like a poser, so now I have to. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, see you in the next video. And, I'll try to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Cheers.